Stand up, baby. Y'all know this is in the church right here. Stand up, baby.
So basically, you can eat from any tree you want except this one.
The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He makes me to lie down in green. He leads me beside the still waters. He restores my soul. Though I walk through the valley
That's the
of
holy
shadow
word. I know you're familiar with that.
I will fear no evil.
That's my wallet, and I know how much money I got, too.
That devil rods. Thou preparest a table before me in the presence of mine.
That's my holy oil for satanic spirits. Let me have that.
Oil. My cup overflows.
That's for my
Surely
glaucoma. I have a prescription for that. Now, you done had my purse long enough, honey. Give it here. Where's my son? My son right here. I'm ready for you. Back up, Satan.
Need clothes.
I bind you down to the lake of fire. I'm not scared of them. None of them. Disappear, demons, all of you. Crack creatures. Look at you.
Bitch, I'm crazy.
Your mama! Throw you down in that deep, dark pit for 1,000 years. Bind you down. Disappear, demons. I got the sprinkle on you. All of you. Shaka Khan, Shaka Khan. Get away from my boy. Dance, my baby. What's the deacon gonna think, Howard? I'll never get that Mother of the Year award. Probably give it to Sister Wanda again. Bitch.
Mama, watch out for little brother.
Oh! Your father and I have decided to increase your Bible study to 8 times a week, and you will no longer be allowed to go back for seconds on the communion crackers.
Oh, Mama.
Oh, I ain't through yet. You will polish all the deacon's furniture, and you are grounded to your room.
For how long?
You ain't coming